Welcome to our video today, where we'll be discussing a topic that's crucial for any Windows user reinstalling Windows Explorer. Have you ever encountered issues with your File Explorer, such as it not responding or crashing frequently, or perhaps you've installed software that has altered the way Windows Explorer functions, and now you want to restore it to its original state, whatever the reason? Knowing how to reinstall In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how to do just that, ensuring you can navigate your files efficiently once again. To begin with, let's clarify what Windows Explorer actually does. It's the file manager application used by Windows operating systems to browse and manage files and folders. If it becomes corrupted or starts malfunctioning due to various reasons like viruses, incorrect uninstallations of software, or system crashes, reinstalling it can often resolve these issues. The process of reinstalling Windows Explorer is relatively straightforward, but involves some careful steps that you need to follow precisely. First, ensure your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest updates installed. This step is crucial because the updates often contain patches and fixes for known issues, including those related to Windows Explorer. Next, you'll need to access the Windows System32 folder. This can be done by opening the Run dialog box, usually by pressing 1R, typing %Windows%System32, and then hitting Enter. In this folder, look for Explorer, exe. However, do not attempt to delete or modify this file directly, as it is a critical system component. Instead, what you're aiming to do is reset the Windows Explorer settings back to their default state. To achieve this without deleting any crucial files, open the command Prompt with Administrative Rights. The easiest way to do this is by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking on it, and selecting Run as Administrator. Once open, you can execute commands that will reset Windows Explorer's registry setting. It's also a good idea to run a system file checker, SFC, scan. This tool checks all protected system files and replaces those that are incorrect or corrupted with healthy copies from the component store. To do this, type SFC scanO in the command prompt window and press Enter. The scan will take some time, but is essential for ensuring your Windows Explorer functions smoothly. Lastly, after making these changes, restart your computer to allow all settings to take effect fully. Ensure your Windows operating system is updated with the latest patches. Access the System32 folder, but avoid modifying Explorer exe directly. Use the command prompt to reset Windows Explorer settings and run an SFC scan. Restart your computer after making these changes. Reinstalling Windows Explorer can seem daunting at first, but by following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to resolve most issues related to it. Remember, keeping your operating system updated is key to preventing many problems from arising in the first place. If you have any questions or found this guide helpful, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on troubleshooting common Windows issues. Thanks for watching.